Hello guys, it's me. It's FinCuber. Today I'm showing you how to solve this Rubik's Cube 3x3 with beginner's method. There are a lot of steps, but they are very simple. So let's start. First, you wanna make a daisy, like with these 5 pieces that are there. You just need to put them here. So as an example, if I have this here and I need to put it here, I will just do this and put here. And now it's in the top. Then let's continue. We have this flipped piece, but it's very simple to do. You just need to put it here and then put it back. So there are now 2 pieces, and I have one here, but if I do this, it will break the one that was here. So let's move this and put this here. Now we have 3 pieces, and the last piece is here, and it's very simple move. Just do this, and now you have daisy. And now you want to insert these pieces to the right center. So I will put blue here. They are matching right now, and do this. So there are my first cross piece. Then just do that 3 times. Green piece, orange, and last red. Now you have done the cross here, and now you have these matching pieces. Then we are doing the first layer, and as an example, we don't do the first layer like this. They need to be matching. There is that one piece that will match, so we just insert them here, and now it's matching, and there is the first piece of the layer. And now we just do that 4 times. Now I have my first layer. But there can be some things like this, that the top piece, the white color is facing up, and you need to put it down. Just do like this and then insert it like a normal. Then we have to do the second layer. You see, we don't have the pieces here, so I have this red blue piece that needs to go here. So I will do this move, then take out this, then move them here, put this back here, then I will do this, and then I will just put them here, and then we repeat the process. There is green red piece, and just do the same thing again. But remember that it can't be like this. If you have, like, as an example, green orange piece, you can't put it here because it doesn't match. You need always put this to match in the center. And now we can do this. Then And here is the last piece. Just here it's already set, like here ready. Just do the algorithm. Now we have done the second layer, as you can see. Now we have last layer, and we need to make a yellow cross on top. So what we do, if you have like this, don't care about the other yellow pieces, just if you have this little like L letter, then you have to hold it like this, and then you need to do like this, and now you have this like what do you call just a line, straight line. But don't care this, as I said. Just imagine it, that you have this straight line, and now just do the same algorithm. Now I did the yellow cross on top, and now we have to orient these edge pieces because they are not in right place. And what we can do is just orient these with this algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U prime, U, R, U, 2, and R prime. And now just do this. Okay, so the orange piece is right now matching, and we need to switch this blue and this green piece. So let's do it again. R, U, R prime, U, R, Q, 2. Just okay, we have the whole cross right now matching. I hope you understood it. It was very hardcore, but yeah, they are now matching. Now we need to orient the pieces. So let's pick a one piece as an example. This, which is not matching, but it's in the right place in just wrong orientation. I don't know. Sorry for the pause, but yeah. So let's continue. So this is in the right place, but wrong orientated. So we need to change these things like these will change their direction, and we do that with doing like this, putting this piece here, then taking out this piece, then putting this back and putting this back. And now we have these two orientated as well, and these two, they are just in they are in the right place but wrong orientated, and these two are right place and right orientation. So now what we have to do is just this simple move algorithm, which is and don't care if the cube is like very messy, just look for these ones. And now we have this one, and now we just need to do this. That's how I solve. it's getting